Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you the Pocket Option affiliate program. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do is to go to your browser and now search for Pocket Option affiliate program, and now click on the first link, and now in here just register and make an account. Now you will be redirected to the dashboard. Now here on the top you'll see all the visitors, registrations, and all of the kind of information that you'll need. And now on the left hand side go into affiliate links, and now in here you'll be able to make affiliate links that you'll copy and send to different areas, and when people open them up and make a deposit after making an account, you'll get a small cash back for anything that they do. So here you'll see all your affiliate links, promo codes, mobile links, sub affiliate programs, and registration forms. So in here on the right hand side you'll see a copy section as well, just towards the right of the link. Once you click on it, you'll be able to paste it anywhere you like. You can also create a new affiliate link. So just choose a campaigning name, the offer type, and the promo code, and click on create, and it will make a affiliate link. So to create a good sign up page, just go to Canva and make an account. Once the account is made, click on the search bar and go into sign up, and now you'll see all of these different templates. Now choose a friendly interface, click on it, and now click on customize this template, and now just edit the template as you like. And now to make a link inside the page, just click on any of the text box, and now click on the three dots, and now click on link. Now just add your affiliate link over here, and when someone click on it, they will be brought by your affiliate link. Now over here, back to the Pocket Option dashboard. On the left hand side go into offers, and now in here you'll see all of these different kinds of offers that have different ratings and turnover rates. So if you try any of them, you'll get a different turnover depending on which one you choose. And now go into statistics on the left hand side, and now here you'll be able to see all the results and the visits made by you. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.